Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Interactive Brokers, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Interactive Brokers, start by visiting their official website. Click on the Open Account button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required personal information such as your name, address, and contact details. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as individual or joint accounts. Complete the financial suitability questionnaire to determine your investment profile. Provide your investment experience, financial information, and risk tolerance. Once your application is submitted, you will receive an email with further instructions. Verify your identity by providing the necessary documents like a government-issued ID and proof of address. After your identity is verified, fund your account by linking a bank account or making a wire transfer. Choose your preferred funding method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Once your account is funded, log in to the Interactive Brokers trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the platform interface and available tools for research and analysis. Use the search bar to locate the stocks or assets you wish to invest in. Review the market information, including current prices, charts, and news. Decide whether to place a market order, limit order, or any other type of order. Enter the number of shares or the amount you wish to invest and confirm your order. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance and make informed decisions. Explore additional features such as margin trading, options, and futures if they align with your strategy. Utilize educational resources and webinars provided by Interactive Brokers for further learning. Stay updated on market trends and news to enhance your investment strategy. As you gain experience, consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Continue to review and adjust your investment plan based on your goals and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.